Hello, I'm Alex Dutch-Greene,
And I'm Tommy Thliveris.
and we are really excited to present at the People Ops Pulse Conference in October 2023. We're both founders of the Enlightening Project and really looking forward to bringing you some amazing tools on creating a conscious culture.
And in a post-COVID era, we feel like it's very important to cultivate a conscious culture within organizations as they are living, breathing entities and really getting in alignment from leadership at the top level all the way through the organization.
Yeah. So some of the tools we'll work into our presentation will include how to create a shared lived experience within an organization, really learning how leaders and employees can align their values and come to better decision making and navigation skills that are in alignment to then live that conscious culture.
And we also hope to bring a more workshop feel. We're really aiming for audience participation and really engaging with the group. So we hope you're able to join.
Yeah, really looking forward to seeing everyone there in October, and hope you enjoy the summer.
Take care.